Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we're kind of starting June with a weird kind of reversal of the market share for Windows. We've had that in a few months in the past, but it's kind of interesting. And if you kind of think that people might be buying new computers to replace their Windows 10 machines, well, kind of interesting numbers this month. So, of course, usually when we start a new month, we also check what the numbers are for the previous month of the market share for Windows versions, and particularly Windows 10 and Windows 11. And here we look at Windows 10 is at 53.2% in May, 43.2% for Windows 11. But what's interesting is that in April, Windows 10 was at 52.9. It actually grew to 53.2, which is kind of weird. And that made Windows 11 go from 43.7 to 43.2. So it went down half a point. So this is very strange to see this reversal. What is interesting is that there was a very clear trend of Windows 10 going down since pretty much the month of December. But it kind of slowed now. 54.2 to 52.9. That was, going down, and now it just goes up a little. It's so weird to see these numbers. And especially with the fact that Windows 10 is now end of support in less than 6 months. Actually, we're in June, so October is not that far away. So we'll see what happens here. Are there more people that know about maybe that there's an extension for Windows 10 for a year and they're waiting? Is it the economy that's making PC sales suddenly drop and makes the Windows version pretty much stagnate or stay at this pretty much same level? Because 0.5% is within probably the margin of error of this survey here, which looks at apps running on Windows. So we'll see, but very interesting. There's a stagnation suddenly. What will next month and what will this summer be like? One thing for sure is that if it slows down to the crawl like this, we might still have Windows 10 higher than Windows 11 in October if things just stagnate like this. My predictions were based on the fact that for several months in a row, Windows 10 lost a lot of market share, going from December, where it was 62.7, to last month, where it was 52.9 now. But this is strange. And what will be the next month? This is going to be interesting to look at. Is it kind of going to stay around there, or will the Windows 10 decline continue? Interesting numbers, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.